Look, we've got presents under the tree. We've got an Aiden and an Aaron and a Millie. Everybody needs a Millie under their tree. Say hi. Hi. Are you having a Merry Christmas? Are you helping Mom and Dad put up their tree? Ooh.
Oh, Millie.
It's a very big tree. Keeps going. Yep. Oh, and there we got some stuff over the door.
Yeah.
We go around the room. Got some more pretty stuff. House is not clean. But back to the presents.
Yeah.
Little guy and daddy.
And dog.
And dog. And Aiden wants the dog. He wants the dog.
Want to pet Millie? Want to pet Millie? I know she stinks. Yeah. Hi. Hi, buddy. So I'll give you a kiss. Who gave you a kiss? Millie? Oh. Here, I'll kick her. Kick the dog. Kick the dog. Go me. Millie got in the shot.
Aiden, are you going to talk or are you just going to be real quiet? Is it just that neat? Is it just that neat? Say, tell everybody, I'm good. Say, Aiden is so good. Can you tell
Your
him?
hand's getting clean. Your hand's getting clean. There you go. Grab that dog. Pet the dog. There you go. Pet the dog.
The dog. Oh yes, Millie. You are why we videotape. Get him out of here. Oh. You like your dog?
Is that Millie? Yeah, it's Millie. She's a good puppy.
Can you say Millie? Tell him Millie. Can you say Millie?
Thanks, dog. Thanks, Millie. Millie. What is this, Aiden? Is this Millie? Is this Millie? Ooh, look at that.